Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create restore point Windows 11. To start, enter restore in the search box. Click create a restore point. First, confirm that the functionality is enabled. To do this, you can click on Configure the C drive to have protection enabled. Now click Create. You are going to assign the desired name to the restore point. Click on Create and wait for the restore point to be created on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To check that it has been created, click on System Restore. There you can find the available restore point. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.